Mahopac firefighters and Carmel police were dispatched to a truck accident on Union Valley Road on Monday evening. A triaxle dump truck hauling a small front-end loader lost control and rolled over, closing Union Valley Road in both directions between Lake Lenacom Road and Kia Ora Boulevard. The driver of the truck was able to self-extricate and was transported to Putnam Hospital Center by Mahopac Fire Department ambulance with minor injuries. This is Frank Becerra Jr. for the Journal News and LOHA.com.